Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best female connectors is probably one of the most essential components in electronics, often overlooked but absolutely critical for connecting various devices and components. From ensuring a stable power supply to facilitating data transfer, these connectors play a vital role in countless applications. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of female connectors, exploring their types, uses, and what makes a great one. Number 5. TICONN Spade Connectors Kit. These TICONN connectors are made with thick brass, ensuring a strong and secure crimp every time. This design minimizes voltage drop, maximizes current flow, and reduces heat, preventing short circuits and wiring problems. Each terminal features thick tinned brass, which resists corrosion. This ensures that the wire stays tightly connected even in harsh conditions, providing a reliable electrical connection. The kit includes red, blue, and yellow connectors, each color representing a different wire gauge size. This makes it easy to identify the correct connector for your specific wiring needs, ranging from AWG22 to 10. These connectors are perfect for various applications, from your car to your home or even scientific projects. They comply with all electrical standards, ensuring everything bonds correctly. TICONN stands behind the quality of these products. If you're not satisfied, you can contact them for a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. They offer 100% satisfaction for risk-free shopping. What we like. This kit ensures strong, secure crimping every time, preventing short circuits. The terminals resist corrosion, ensuring a tight hold. If you're working on automotive, home, or scientific projects, this kit is your go-to. You'll appreciate its reliability and wide range of applications. What people say. They fit together as expected and work well. The nylon sleeves don't split like the cheap ones, and the crimps bite down tight. Use these to clean up and repair the wiring on my outdoor Rheem 3.5-ton AC unit, and they worked flawlessly. Solid grip, snug connections, and the insulation actually feels durable, not that flimsy stuff you regret buying. Crimped clean, held tight, and got my system running again without a hiccup. Number 4. XHF 16 to 14 AWG Nylon Female Spade Connectors. These are brand new, high-quality Spade wire crimp terminals. They offer convenient, quick, and safe disconnects. This helps prevent wiring faults, making it an ideal connector for electrical wiring. The connectors feature tin plating and a matte finish. They have a nylon cover for insulation and plated copper cores. This design helps prevent corrosion and ensures strong crimps. These female quick disconnects are built to last. They are fully insulated with nylon for added safety and protection. You can rely on them for your wiring needs. The connectors have a width of 0.25 inches, making them suitable for various applications. They are designed for easy and secure connections. This makes the wiring process more efficient. These nylon quick disconnects meet the standards of RoHS and CE certifications. This ensures that they are safe and compliant. You can use them with confidence. What we like. These connectors offer quick and safe disconnections, ideal for preventing wiring faults. The durable nylon cover and plated copper cores ensure strong crimps. If you need a reliable and certified solution for your electrical wiring needs, consider this one. What people say. They are nicely made from good materials and they crimp nicely. The materials are pliable and fit the correct sized wires as expected. These are good quality nylon fully insulated terminals. Number 3. Wirefy Female Bullet Connectors, 130 PCS. Tired of complicated wiring? These bullet connectors make it simple to connect and disconnect wires whenever you need. It's a fast and reliable solution for your electrical projects. Get a secure connection every time. These connectors create strong crimps that hold your wires firmly in place. You can trust them to keep your connection safe and reliable. Built to last, the heat shrink tubing shrinks to 1/3 of its size, sealing the connection. This protects it from the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether it's a car, motorcycle, boat, or RC project, this kit has you covered. They are perfect for any project that requires quick and easy connections. We stand behind the quality of these connectors. They are backed by a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. You can rely on it for years to come. What we like. These connectors make secure connections that can be easily disconnected. The strong crimps ensure your wire won't slip out. If you like the idea of a versatile kit with industrial-grade heat shrink tubing, this is a great choice. You'll find it perfect for cars, motorcycles, and more. What people say. Work awesome and easy to use. They fixed the design and they are wonderful. Heat shrink is great, crimp is great, I highly recommend these female Spade connectors. Really like the hot glue adhesive inside the heat shrink tubing, helps seal the connection and hold the wire in the terminal. Number 2. Wirefy 150 PCS Spade connectors. These male-female Spade connectors are designed for easy mating and separation. They're perfect for applications where you need to connect and disconnect frequently. These female Spade connectors are great for bus bars and fuse boxes. Crafted from high-quality copper and featuring heat shrink tubing with adhesive lining, these connectors crimp, shrink, and seal effectively. Start your connections with these heat shrink Spade connectors. The double barrels ensure stronger crimps, and the heat shrink tubing's adhesive glues to the wire insulation, enhancing tensile strength. Your wire will stay securely in place. The male Spade connectors are the perfect match for the female terminals. This kit includes 150 blue heat shrink female Spade connectors, suitable for 16 to 14 AWG wires. They are the ideal solution for anyone starting a wiring project. Wirefy stands behind the quality of these electrical connectors with a lifetime warranty. Get your own marine wire connectors and experience the quality and reliability. What we like. These connectors offer easy mating and separation, perfect for frequent connections. The professional-grade Spade connectors use high-quality copper and heat shrink tubing. If you're looking for a reliable solution with strong crimps and a lifetime warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. Work awesome and easy to use. They fixed the design and they are wonderful. Heat shrink is great, crimp is great, I highly recommend these female Spade connectors. Really like the hot glue adhesive inside the heat shrink tubing, helps seal the connection and hold the wire in the terminal. Number 1. Haisstronica heat shrink Spade connectors for electronics. Introducing the Haisstronica heat shrink Spade connectors. This is a comprehensive kit for various electrical projects. It provides a reliable and waterproof connection. The package includes a variety of male and female Spade terminals in red, blue, and yellow. They are designed to fit different wire gauges. This ensures you have the right connector for the job. These connectors are built to last with high-quality metal and red copper joints. They are designed for repeated use without bending or loosening. This makes them ideal for cars, boats, and more. The heat shrink tubing provides an excellent waterproof seal. The hot melt glue penetrates and wraps the wires. This creates an indestructible connection. These heat shrink wire connectors meet all electrical standards. The insulating sleeve is made of PVC insulation material. The flame retardant design ensures safety during use. What we like. These connectors feature a heat shrink design for a secure, waterproof connection. The long-lasting construction ensures they won't bend or loosen over time. If you need a reliable and waterproof solution for your watercraft, electronics, or automotive projects, you should consider this one. What people say. Make great connection and nice to have the heat shrink to better protect the connection. The heat shrink tubing seals tightly and gives a solid, waterproof connection, perfect for automotive and marine projects. The Spade terminals fit snugly and don't wiggle loose like cheaper brands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.